This is the Spicy Tandoori Chicken Curry, guys. Absolutely amazing. It smells divine. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're super excited to be coming back recording more amazing dishes for you. So today's video is going to be one of my favorites, is Spicy Tandoori Chicken Curry. I have marinated the tandoori chicken overnight that we're going to be using. I will leave the instructions in the box below on the marination recipe, as I forgot to do the film last night for you. So what else we got? We've got 2 finely chopped onion. We've got some green chili and red peppers. We've got 1 tomato finely chopped into dices. We've got a cinnamon stick. We've got some coriander. The spices that we're going to use is 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili, 1/4 haldi powder, 2 teaspoons of mixed curry powder, 1 coriander, and 1/2 teaspoons of chili powder. What we've got here is about 8 garlic cloves, and we've also got some dry red chilies, about 6 dry red chilies here. What we're going to do with this and the garlic, we're going to make that into a paste. So what we need to do is add some warm water and leave that for about 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah guys, just want to say firstly massive thank you to everyone for wishing us good luck for our future. As you know, we've had our baby Noah. So baby Noah and mother are both doing very well. We all settled into the new house as well. Anyway guys, that's enough about me. Didn't mention about, we're going to be using some cumin seeds as well. Having said that guys, let's crack on with today's recipe. Okay guys, so we've got the pan on heat. We're going to add about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. There we go. Cumin seed goes in. Cinnamon goes in. Just wait for the oil and to heat up before we add our onion, and then what I'll do, I'll show you how to make the paste as well. Just going to wait for the cumin just to sizzle up. There we go, it's happening now. This tandoori chicken, I am not cooking it in the oven or the tandoor. I'll be frying it up here for you. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I'll show you the recipe on the instruction. There we go, that's ready. So what we're going to do now is add our, so this is 2 medium finely chopped onions. And what we're going to do now is get that caramelised, all nice and golden brown. So I've got that on, there we go, so a medium to high heat. So just under about a teaspoon of salt. So again, add to your own taste. What we're going to do now, as this is just sizzling away, we are going to get our paste ready. I'm just checking the camera just to make sure. So garlic in, we've got the water, hot water, and our dry red chili goes in. So you end up with the paste as such, guys. Okay. As you can see, the onion is getting a nice colour to it. Nice and soft. So what we're going to do now is add in our chopped tomato. Okay, so now what we're going to do, tomatoes have softened, the onions are looking really good. What we're going to do is we're going to make a little circle here, push the onion and tomatoes onto the side, and we're going to start cooking our tandoori chicken here. Right, you can hear Noah crying in the background. Alright, his mum doing, there we go. Just want to get the colour on the tandoori chicken, so we're not gonna. Just want to make sure the onions are on the side. There we go. There's about two leg pieces here. Amazing. So we are good to start adding in our spices now. So let's get our onion back in the mix. So add in our paste. Minus obviously this. So this is going to be spicy, guys. It's going to be a hot curry for you. If you don't want it to be hot, so just leave the dry red chili out of it if you want to. Wow, smells absolutely amazing. Can't wait to have this, guys. This is going to be a good one. Right, so now we're going to. Before that, let's get all of our masala, tandoori masala sauce in there. But this is all flavour you want. I'm going to add in our spices now. Reduce the heat to medium. Give the sides a quick wipe. Gonna add a bit of water from this. This is the Tandoori Chicken Curry, guys. Absolutely amazing. Well, spicy Tandoori Chicken Curry. As you can see, the spice is getting drying up. So what we're going to do now is add a bit of water. And I'm going to do this for about 6 to 8 minutes. So the spice fully cooks into the chicken, the flavours really come out. What we're doing. Adding our chilli. Here's a tip for you guys. As this is cooking away, if you've got any washing to do, guys, just go ahead and just do your washing. It saves a lot of time towards the end. But however, back to this, check this out. Look at that colour. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? I'll tell you what, smells, wow, tasty. This is good. I probably will have this with some boiled rice, as I find the flavours with boiled rice gives out the curry flavour really well. And I find if you do have pillar rice and so forth, it does take some of the curry flavour away, because the pillar rice has got its own flavour and fragrance in there as well. Right, so this has been about 6 minutes or so. So what I'm going to do now is add some bit more water, as you can see. Just add water as as the consistency you would like. So if you want it really saucy, you add more water. If you want it a dry dish, I would have this as a medium to dry dish, and this will easily serve, well, 2 people if you want to. If you're not as hungry, you can easily get 3 portions out of this. So leave that to cook now. The lid on. Oh yeah, wow. Just going to reduce the heat now to low. Look at that sauce, that's absolutely amazing. So this is our curry almost done. Just going to let it reduce, simmer for about another 5 minutes or so. Just going to add some coriander. And about a quarter of a Garam Masala. It's been about 5 minutes, guys, so check it out. Wow, look at that masala. Wow, look at these chicken pieces. Absolutely amazing tandoori chicken. Right guys, the only thing to do now is to plate up and enjoy this spicy tandoori chicken curry. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe and share our channel with others as we're looking to grow our channel. Right, absolutely amazing guys, thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.